Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video we are just going to understand about what is greedy algorithm and nothing else. So greedy algorithm is an algorithmic paradigm which builds the solution piece by piece, just like building a wall. So basically what you do in this one, what do we mean by building solution piece by piece? Okay, let's say you have 10 pieces, right? 10 problems, small problems which are unsolved. You solve one problem, okay, and let's say all these problems are related to each other and they are supposed to be in chain after after all these problems are solved, right? So once you solve, let's say, one problem, you have that solution, right? And once you solve the second problem, you add that to the chain. Okay, now you have two problems for which you have the solution and they are already in order. Then you pick the third problem, you solve it, then add it to the chain. You keep on repeating this until you get your final solution. Every time, choosing those particular sub problem and make sure after solving them you add it to the existing solution. And this choice, right, picking the problem and solving that and adding to the chain is called greedy choice. Okay, in this you make a greedy choice for a, so just like we have written here, right, in this you make a greedy choice for a smaller solution that can later leads to a final solution. So that is what you're doing in the available problems. You're picking them, right, and you're solving them, considering them as the best possible solution at that stage, adding them in the existing solution after you solving them. Examples are insertion sort and selection sort. There are more algorithms as well. These algorithms considered as part of greedy algorithms. So as we know, both are sorting algorithms. Okay, you have unsorted array and you pass those arrays to the sorting algorithms and you get a sorted array. And in these sorting algorithms, if you remember, we already implemented these two, by the way. Okay, and if you have analyzed as in both of the sorting algorithms, what is happening after every single iteration, there are two parts of the array that you're getting. One is sorted and one is unsorted, right? So with every single iteration, you're choosing one element and making sure it's at its correct location, and then that part becomes your sorted array. So these type of algorithms where you're performing this sort of analogy, where you're picking up solution, okay, then you're adding it to the existing solved problem, right? In this case, the sorted array. Now this type of algorithm is what you call a greedy algorithm. That's all I wanted to explain as part of this video. See you in the next one.